only lady in the house, a good friend, and the Amazon of the Niger Delta in the person of Annkio Briggs. As you all know, she is an environmental and a human rights activist. Annkio, you have the floor now to make your submission. Thank you very much for joining us this evening.
Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. Mazi, I can be heard, yeah?
Yes, we can hear you loud and clear, and I like your
great.
I must say that. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I've listened attentively to everyone. I was able to log in just when Obaseki was talking. I've listened to Dr. Jonathan very well. First of all, I want to start in this manner. I want to say that God did not make Nigeria. Lugard did. That's one of my position. The second position is this. I am Ijo. Ijo people are in 5 states of what is today known as the Niger Delta region. I am one of the Ijos that are in Rivers State. In Rivers State, we have other ethnic nationalities. We have Ogoni, Ikwere, Ekpeye, so many other ethnic nationalities. People will call in later and say, I didn't mention them, I apologize. Rivers State was created as it is today, just after the first coup d'etat. And at that point, Bayelsa was in Rivers State. Today, Bayelsa is not in Rivers State. My people and I were formerly in what is today the defunct Eastern region. We are not in Eastern region today. We are in what is one of the 6 zones, the South-South zone. I prefer to continue to identify it as the Niger Delta because that is the geographical area that suits who I am very well for me. I am a Nigerian today simply because I am Ijo. And I am of Rivers State today because that is the creation that we are working with, which is in the problematic 1999 constitution. Of this, I am certain that whether Nigeria stays together or not, I will remain an Ijo woman, an Ijo daughter. My geographical location will not change unless nature changes it or my people decide to relocate. I don't know where to. The Ijos will not decide majorly to become any other set of people or answer any other name but Ijos. Now, having made this presentation, I agree totally with a lot of submissions that is all over Nigeria today, which is to say this, that Nigeria is a finished, Nigeria today for me is finished. But I say this as an Ijo person. I do not say this as any other ethnic nationality, but as an Ijo person. Now, my primary aim today, seeing what is going on in this country, is not how do we save Nigeria. That's not my aim. And I will say that loud and clear anywhere. My aim is how do my people survive? How do we survive? Because very clearly, the intent is to destroy, enslave every other person. And by one set of people, and I will not accept to be a slave, and I will not accept that my people will be a slave. So how do we move forward? Where do we move to from here? In my humble opinion, as an Ijaw daughter of the region that I am proud to be from, with so many other ethnic nationalities that I am proud to refer to as my brothers and my sisters, we have to accept that what is key today for the Yoruba man, I want to believe for the Igbo man and so many other people today, should be, how do we survive inside Nigeria or outside of Nigeria? It is reckless on anybody's part to try to convince me as a person now, at my age, with my experience, what I have seen in Nigeria. I saw the independence. My father brought me from the UK at 4, and that was before independence of Nigeria, into Rivers State, into the creeks of Niger Delta. And I know what we have given up. What the solution should be is that we have to agree as a people that our independence and our survival as ethnic nationalities should be paramount. And that's what I will follow. Any other person that wants to follow that path, I will follow that path. Any other path will lead to failure and destruction of my people, and it will not be what I see for us in Nigeria. Now, the second thing, let us look at the Fulani killer headsmen. This is an identity that has been given to them, not by Nigerians, but externally by people who calculate violence, have identified them as such. We now agree that they attempted this so many other places in Africa. We now know that that is the attempt in Nigeria. If that is the attempt in Nigeria, and they are the only ethnic nationality today that are legally allowed to carry arms to destroy and protect themselves. They destroy other people and they use the AK-47 to protect themselves. Nobody else has a right to arm themselves or to protect and defend themselves. This is pathetic. It is unacceptable. I have received calls from all over the place. People are wondering. People are saying, you Ijaw people, what are you doing? People are asking all kinds of questions because it's unbelievable that we have sat down from 2015 and watched this thing develop gradually, that even people who supported the coming of Buhari, people who said anybody but Jonathan, are now the people wanting to tell us how we're going to survive in the same Nigeria, where they are responsible in placing Nigeria where Nigeria is today. Look, if we do not, in my humble opinion, if we do not accept that we have to save ourselves before we can save Nigeria. When I hear people say the way forward for Nigeria, there is no way forward for Nigeria. The way forward that has been taken by other people, the only way that is forward is what is good. The Yoruba man, what is good for the Yoruba man should be decided by the Yoruba man. What is good for the Igbo man should be decided by the Igbo man, and so on and so on. And if at some point we're able to meet, then that's wonderful and great. But it will be our choice individually that we make. I saw Dele Mahmoud's article where he said, who will tell the president? And I went on Facebook and I said, who would tell Dele Mahmoud that Nigeria is dead? because he says Nigeria is dying. Who will tell the president? I said, no, somebody needs to tell Dele that Nigeria is dead. It is you and I. It is our individual ethnic nationalities that is alive. Look, if we do not make the world to understand that our survival as ethnic nationalities is more important than the survival of Nigeria. The only reason why the world wants Nigeria to survive is because they see Nigeria as a trade. They see Nigeria as a place where they will send their goods for us to buy. They do not see us as a people that they need to help to survive. So if that be the case, I do not want to survive because I am a very large market for the white man. My mother is British, but I do not see myself surviving as Annkio Briggs, as an Ijaw daughter in Nigeria, so because I can be seen as a potential market. We are not potential markets. We are human beings, and we have to survive. And the question, Mazi, should be not anymore, how do we solve the Nigerian problem? How does the Igbo man survive? How will the Yoruba, look, if the Igbo man has to go back to Igbo land, Alandi Igbo, then he will have no choice but to go back. After all, during the war, didn't they go back? What is this? That we have to continue to be running this race that we are losing, and we are running it in the name of Nigeria. And some people believe that they own Nigeria and they will run Nigeria the way they want to run Nigeria. And we are begging. We are begging to be Nigerians. I refuse to be a beggar to be Nigerian. I am an Ijaw woman. I am an Ijaw daughter that unfortunately today find myself in a country that identifies me as Nigerian. And if the price I have to pay is that my creeks will be taken over by strangers, my oil will be controlled by strangers, empowered and enabled by my own brothers and sisters, then at least anytime I have this opportunity, I will speak my mind and damn the consequences.
Thank you very much.
Nigeria is failed, and I do not expect my people to fail with Nigeria. I expect my people to survive while Nigeria is failed. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You've always been speaking your mind, and this evening you have not once more failed to speak your mind. You know, the summary, you made a very striking statement, which is a truism, basically, that Nigeria was never created by God. That Lord Lugard did. And basically, you said there is an intent to enslave and to occupy. To solution, you propose that you agree with other independent ethnic nationalities, and that is a non-negotiable fact. You know that others will eventually, anyone that agrees that they are going to be free, the people you will join. Thank you very much once more for that contribution.